Athuba Matam Da Manipur Da Tangdu Leitaba Hanjillaklagani Haibagi Achetpa Thajaba Lei HAINA Supreme Court ki Judge Justice BHUSHAN RAMKRISHNA GAVAI na PHONGDOKKHRE Wafam ase Supreme Court ki Judge Mangana Saba Tim amang ase Manipur da thunglakibaga loinana Bishnupur District ke Moirang College ta hangba relief camp ta lanjena duna leiriba sing unaba lakpada mahakna phongdokkibane Khongjat aduda Justice BHUSHAN RAMKRISHNA GAVAI na luchingba tim aduna Moirang College ta free legal service camp ama amadi free medical camp ama hodokhe Loinana College aduda hangba relief camp ta changjafam tawduna leiriba singda tengwang polam sing kusinabaga loinana family welfare ki karchu yentokhe National Legal Services Authority ki meeting makhada Manipur State Legal Services Authority amati District Legal Services Authority Bishnupur District Administration Bishnupur Director of Health Services Director of Family Welfare amasung Regional Institute of Medical Sciences ka punna khusamdaduna pangthokpa Free Legal Services Camp amasung Free Medical Camp hodokpagi thorom aduka mari leinana Justice BHUSHAN RAMKRISHNA GAVAI na hai Aikoi Constitution ase social economic amati political da justice piba haibasida yumfam oi Miyam da justice fanghanaba aikoi Constitution asida Article 39 Clause A ase happy National Legal Services Authority Nalsana Leibak asigi manung hanjinba mafam singda leiriba miyam amati lanjengaduna leiriba miyoi singda justice fanghanaba akan baru thabak paikhatle Legal Service Institution na miyam da free legal aid fanghanabagi thabak paikhatpa khangnatana thong manaba amadi miyam punna consinba justice system ama leinaba honaba pathok tai State asida leiriba District Legal Services Authority singna state asigi tongan mafam singda leiriba relief camp singda relief ki tengbang mapung fada phang haibase tabada mai poe leibak asigi constitution ase yamna singthaningai oiba amane Constitution asina aikoi ki awaba amadi nungaiba mikup singda leibak asi amatoina pullaga lakpadi haina mahakna phongdokhe mahakna makhata na hai leibak asigi papangal kanba constitution asina state asida nongmadi soidana tangdu leitaba hanjillaklagani thajai aikoi nongma soidana mai pakade State asida Athuba Matam Da Tangdu Leitaba Hanjillaklagani lamdam ase mahausa ki punsida hanjillaklagani haibase mahaki Achetpa Thajaba Lei haina phangni makha takhe
One day peace will come back to the country. One day we will be successful. एक दिन हम जरूर होंगे कामयाब. I'm sure that with the constitution that we have, with the strong constitution that we have, a beautiful state like Manipur, when we are landing in Imphal or when we are traveling from Imphal to Churchandpur, you could see how the beautiful state is. I'm sure that with our joint efforts, with our strong constitution, peace will come back to Manipur. The situation will come back to normalcy with the effective steps to be taken by or are being taken by the executive, the judiciary, the legislature, and all the government officers. I am sure that Manipur, which is as important part of India as is Tamil Nadu, as is Maharashtra, as is Kerala, will soon come back to normalcy. With that prayer from all the Indians, we do hope that we'll come back soon to see peaceful Manipur.
Gasigi Thoram Aduda Tongan relief camp singda changjafam lauduna leiriba singna Supreme Court ki judge ki team Aduda memorandum amasapisin ke loinana team Aduna district asegi tongan ba department singi hangli bistol sing amasung medical camp pangthokliba mapam singda koina chatun yingsin bakan loinana relief camp ki ka singda su changdun yingsin ke Ngasigi Thoram Aduda Supreme Court of India ke Judge Manga Justice BHUSHAN RAMKRISHNA GAVAI Justice MM Sunjes Justice N Kotishwar Justice Vikram Nath, Justice KV Biswanathan, High Court of Manipur Chief Justice D. Krishna Kumar, Justice A. Guneshwar Sharma, Justice Ahanthem Bimol Amade, Justice Golmai Gaifishiluna, Athuba Matam Singh Oina Sarulakhe. Numit Nini ki Khongchatta Manipur da Lakiba Supreme Court ki Judge, Justice B.R. Gavai na Luchingba Apex Court asigi Judge Mangana Saba Tim Adu, Ngasi Guwahati dake Indigo Flight Amada, Bir Dikendrazit International Airport ta ayuk pung 9 minute ni fuka mangarok taba adwai da thunglakibane. Team aduna Imphal da thunglabaga matung Churchandpur da chatuna sadwapna mandapta hangba relief camp ta leiriba miyam unaduna wari watai sanakhe loinana team aduna legal aid camp ama amade medical camp ama hangdopaga loinana relief camp singda leiriba singda polam sing khusinakhe masigi matungda team aduna Churchandpur dagi Bishnupur da pung 12 taba adwai da amuk lakhibane panba yabade numit nini ki khongchatta Manipur da lakhiba Supreme Court ki judge ki team adu ngasi Kaibu Lamjau National Park, INA Museum amadi Loktak Yengraba Majong Sandra Resort ta ahing yarakani hairi. Loinana haying pangtokadoriba High Court of Manipur lingkhatkibagi taraganithoi suba kumon thoramtasu saruk yagani. Thoram ase yawramlaba machong hayeng nungthil pung mari taba matamda team adu Imphal thadokhigani hairi.